Hello everyone. I am Rajkumar Yadav here from St. Paul Senior Secondary School, and students, today we are going to study about our next topic, territory and normal residence. Here, first, today we will complete the topic territory, in which I will tell you about the domestic or economic territory completely. So, students, the term economic territory or the domestic territory is very important while we estimate the national income, because only the territory will help you to decide whether the income which you are going to estimate belongs to a domestic territory or out of the territory. It helps to find you the GDP of an economy or the NDP of an economy. So, in detail, here we go with our topic. Let's start. So, students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is about territory and normal residence. Students, these two topics are very important for the purpose of estimation of national income, because the income generated within the territory of an economy or outside the territory of an economy, and by the normal residents or the non-residents of the economy, has decided whether the income is of the economy or of outside the economy. So, to estimate, before estimation of national income, it is compulsory to have complete knowledge about the concept of territory and the normal residence. Students, first we will take the territory. What is territory? Territory means the region or the area where the specific country or the economy enjoys all the economic benefits. So, the territory here, it means to the domestic or economic territory. Students, domestic territory as used in national income has a special meaning and is much bigger than the political frontiers. Mostly the people thinks about the political boundaries when we talk about the territory, but in economics, territory means not only to the political frontier, but also have a special and the bigger meaning than the political frontiers. According to the United Nations, The economic territory or the domestic territory is the geographical area or the territory which is administered or governed by a government within which the person goods and capital circulates or the moves freely. So here the territory means to the economic territory of a particular geographical area which is administered by a government within which the person or the goods or the capital belongs to that government circulates freely. So students, a domestic territory includes the following areas. Number one, all the political frontiers. Political frontiers or the areas will be the part of a domestic territory. Remember this point. All the political frontiers or geographical territories including territorial waters and airspace. Territorial waters and airspace. Here territorial waters means all the region where water founds like your oceans, nearby oceans to the mainland or the seas, and the air spaces means even the area above the geographical territory will be included in the domestic territory. For example, The telecommunication services produced by BSNL or any Indian company, because all these services uses the airspace of the Indian territory. So these services will be included as the part of domestic territory of our home country. Second one, number 2, embassies. SSIES. Embassies, consulates, or the military bases, etc., which are located abroad. Will be the part of domestic territory. Suppose that, for example, the Indian embassy which is situated in USA will be the part of Indian domestic territory. Similarly, foreign embassies or the consulates or the military bases which are located in Indian territory will be excluded from Indian domestic territory. And number 3, ships, aircrafts, etc., which are operated by Indian residents between 2 or more countries. Will be the part of Indian domestic territory. For example, services of Air India, which are provided by Indian Airlines or Indian company in abroad, are included in domestic territory. Whereas same services which are provided by foreign airline providers or the airlines, air services providers in India will be excluded from Indian domestic territory. Fourth one is fishing vessels, oil and natural gas rigs, etc., which are operated by residents in the international areas or the water which country enjoys exclusive rights. For example, the research works or the projects undertaken by the Indian government with the help of ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Limited Corporation, in international water, even of Indian Ocean, will be the part of domestic territory of India. So, students, these 4 points will help you to understand the concept of domestic territory and to decide the domestic territory, we need to all remember all these 4 terms thoroughly. Now, about the implication of domestic or economic territory. It means how the economic or domestic territory is applicable while estimation of national income. So here I will tell you about the use of domestic or the economic territory for the purpose of calculation of national income. Students, production activity of the production units located within the economic territory is domestic product. Domestic product includes both the GDP or NDP, means gross domestic product or the net domestic product. GDP or the NDP are the example of domestic product. Means what is domestic product? The production activity of the production unit located within the economic territory is the domestic product. About these terms GDP and NDP we will study thoroughly later. Students, here national income and related aggregates are basically the measures of production activity. So domestic product. Here the topic of domestic product is completed now. Next topic regarding normal resident of a country, I will tell you in my next video. So thank you. So students, that is the end of today's video, and I hope you get proper knowledge about the territory or the domestic or economic territory. In our next video, we will start with our next topic, normal residence. And again, I suggest you to prepare your notes of this topic simultaneously and submit your notebook to me in school. That's I can check your notebooks on time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy at your home. Jai Mata.